You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're looking at some pretty big shifts happening in AI right now. We're pulling from recent reports and news to see what's really moving the needle, and more importantly, what it might mean for you.
Exactly. We want to get past the headlines, uncover some of the hidden stuff, the complexities, the strategies companies are using, and yeah, the competition. Should be some aha moments today, hopefully.
Okay, let's start with AI agents.
Yeah.
They seem to be getting, well, much more capable. I'm reading about ChatGPT Agent specifically, it sounds
Yeah.
like a major step up.
Hmm.
Combining web browsing, analysis, acting like its own little computer to manage calendars, do analysis, make slideshows. That sounds really powerful.
It is. It's definitely a leap automating these multi-step things that were tricky before, but, sometimes that fast progress hits a snag in the real world. Look at Anthropic. They apparently tightened up usage limits on Claude code, sort of out of the blue.
Oh, really? Without announcing it?
Yeah, heavy users suddenly found they couldn't use it as much. And the big problem was the lack of warning. People were frustrated, couldn't plan their work. It just highlights this tension, right? Balancing cool new features with predictable access for the people actually using it.
Yeah. That lack of predictability. It sort of ties into something else, doesn't it? This idea of hidden technical debt in AI. We hear AI is simple, like magic, but behind the scenes, it's complex, needs lots of infrastructure, careful data management, all that operational stuff. It's not just flicking a switch.
You absolutely hit the nail on the head there. It's far from simple underneath. To make these things work reliably and, frankly, affordably, companies often have to lean on, well, more traditional software, deterministic code, older ML models maybe, just to handle things like choosing the right tool or monitoring the system.
So it's like we're seeing parallels to the complexities we had with earlier machine learning systems.
Exactly. The front end might feel seamless, like magic, but the engineering reality is, well, it's still engineering. It takes a lot of work to make it robust in the real world.
So given that complexity, how are companies actually rolling this stuff out? I saw a really interesting example with Shopify. They seem to have gone all in internally.
Oh, yeah. What did they do?
Bought 3,000 licenses for Cursor. That's an AI coding tool with unlimited token use. Apparently, their legal team just defaulted to yes on AI tools.
Wow, 3,000 unlimited tokens. That's bold.
Right. And get this, non-technical sales reps are building tools now, like for performance audits. And one sales engineer runs his whole workflow, from a dashboard pulling context from Salesforce, Slack, G Suite, all powered by AI.
That's incredible. It shows what happens when you remove barriers, even accidentally, maybe. And the infrastructure side is racing to catch up to support this kind of thing. Look at Vercel AI Cloud. They're positioning it as this unified platform.
Right, making it easier to build AI apps.
Yeah, simplifying things with tools like their AI SDK and AI Gateway. They talk about fluid compute for cost efficiency, basically scaling resources up and down smartly. Plus security features like boat ID and sandboxing. It feels like they're really trying to enable this agentic era of development.
Okay, shifting focus a bit.
Yeah.
Let's talk global competition. Perplexity is making a really interesting play in India.
Ah, yes, the partnership with Airtel.
Exactly, giving away Perplexity Pro free for a year to potentially 360 million Airtel subscribers. That's a massive scale.
It's a huge user acquisition strategy. They clearly see India as a way to leapfrog, maybe catch up to OpenAI faster.
It feels like a shortcut, doesn't it? A bet on market access over maybe purely technological edge right now shows the global race isn't just about the tech itself, but also these smart regional partnerships.
Absolutely. And that global race directly fuels the AI talent war. It's getting intense. Look at Meta. They're hiring like crazy.
Weren't there some big names poached recently?
Yeah, they just pulled Mark Lee and Tom Gunter from Apple's AI team. And that's after getting rooming pang, reportedly with a $200 million sign-on deal.
$200 million! Wow.
It just shows the insane premium being placed on top AI researchers and engineers right now. That's the real currency in this race.
So quite a landscape we've covered. We've got these amazing new agent capabilities, but also the tricky user experience issues, the hidden technical debt underneath, really aggressive adoption like Shopify, and this fierce global battle for markets and minds. It's clear the AI magic is really built on some serious engineering and some very clever business moves.
It really is. And it leaves you thinking, doesn't it? As these AI agents get more capable, more autonomous, and weave themselves deeper into our work and lives, what are the next complexities? Not just technical ones, but maybe unforeseen human-AI interaction challenges that we'll all need to figure out. Makes you wonder what stands out most to you listening in.
Spoken Tech for your ears.